Here is a review of the Apple Lightning to micro USB adapter. There we go. That is the Lightning to USB adapter, and it is very tiny and very easy to lose. So bada bing bada boom. So you just take your charging device and plug it in like this. Bada bing. And then if you want extra security, you buy this thing called a lightning cozy. It wraps around your cable like a loop. You stick it through the cable through the loophole. Then you take this cozy portion and you stick the white adapter into the cozy, for instance. Now it's much harder to lose the adapter when you unplug it from the micro USB cable because it's attached. Bada bing, bada boom.